Revolutionize lawn care with the Novabot N2000. Tired of tangled wires and tedious maintenance? The Novabot N2000 is here to change the game. Featuring wire-free setup, intelligent virtual boundary mapping, and AI-assisted precision, N2000 delivers effortless perfection across lawns up to 1.5 acres. Navigate complex gardens with high-definition obstacle avoidance. Pet safe and 2V certified, it efficiently trims every zone with customizable scheduling. Quietly cutting at just $67 to buy, it's your neighborhood-friendly lawn companion. With multi-zone management, heights from 0.8 inch to 3.5 inches, and all-terrain capability, your yard will look pristine year-round. Manage it all via the handy app or sit back and relax. Novabot has it handled. Take control of your lawn's future. Visit the description page. Click on the link to get to the product page in Amazon to own your Novabot N2000 today. Ensure to click on the subscription button to get updates on tech product that makes life fun and easy for you.